Dotty the puppy plays in the garden. A shiny bubble floats by. Dotty tilts her head. Cop, the bubble breaks. Where did it come from? More bubbles float across the grass, one after another. Dotty follows the bubbles step by step. The bubbles shine in the sun, pink and blue. They float past the big oak tree. Dotty finds Finn by the river. He blows bubbles with a leaf. Bubbles! I followed them, Dotty barks happily. Ollie and Barnaby come to see. So many bubbles! The four friends blow bubbles together. Pop, pop, pop. The bubbles float up into the blue sky. Curiosity is fun, Dotty says. Look what I found.